This is Max. His small business successfully produces custom interior designs tailored to his customers' needs. But not everything runs smoothly, especially in order preparation and in the workshop. Problems keep arising. Max is already using various software programs, but the individual steps take too long and don't seamlessly connect with each other. With CAD CAM CS, Max finds the perfect solution to get started: flexible, future-proof, and cost-effective. As is typical for CAD CAM CS connects design and production in a seamless process. CAD data is automatically transformed into ready-to-use NC programs directly from the cloud. Processes run smoothly. This saves time, reduces errors, and gives Max the freedom to focus on what really matters: his customers, sustainable growth, and financial planning. The business grows, and the software solution grows with it. From the compact starter package, a comprehensive CAD CAM solution gradually emerges, managing the processes in design and production. And luckily, the data stays the same. CAD CAM CS, the easy way to get started in digital furniture manufacturing.